Welcome back. So today is kind of like a vlog, but it's also going to be the drawing for my 2-year YouTube channel giveaway. So I've got some names in here. I'm going to do this in just a second, but first I thought I'd go over just a few little random vloggy type things I didn't want to make a whole separate video about. And I feel like if you are here watching this right now, you probably would be more interested in this information than, say, just a random person clicking on this video and they haven't been following the channel, as long as you guys have. So thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope that one of you guys will win here in a minute. So first thing I'm just going to touch base with real quick. I kind of dropped looking for houses, looking for land a few months ago because I still have one child at home. Well, I have other children at home, but one that's in the public school system, and she does do online schooling mostly at home. But then there was this opportunity for this program that she really, really, really wanted to do. So we made the commitment to her that we would not look at any more houses, property, land. We would just let her finish out her school career and do this program to get this experience and this opportunity. So you won't see any more content videos about house hunting or looking for land for a while, at least this year, maybe a little bit longer. Honestly, my gut reaction is to lean into wanting to look for land and then building on that land. And that takes a while. So maybe after the new year, maybe that's something I'll kind of toy around with, just start looking at what our options are here. We did build before when we lived in another state. So I'm not sure, what is available here. If it would be a cost savings or not, I don't know. So maybe I'll start looking into that after the new year. So that's why I haven't talked about that or mentioned anything about moving. It's because I'm so excited for her to have this opportunity, and we have to stay put in this county and not leave so she can do that program. Okay, so in November, I'm planning on not posting much as far as long form content, because I had that 2 week spree where I posted a long form video almost every single day. It was a lot of work. It would kind of burn me out a little bit on that part of content creating, trying to get one posted every day. And I think I did a really great job. I think I only missed a day or maybe two, but I made up for it and added a couple more onto like the 2 week mark. So I've got 1,000, what feels like 1,000 shorts in my lineup on my playlist to put out in November. So there will be shorts posted daily, if not multiple times a day, because I have so many shorts that are just kind of cool, and I thought I'm going to make them. And some of them are just clips from longer form videos that will direct new people to these longer form videos. It's really hard to get someone to watch your long form videos. Some of you guys are content creators as well. A lot of you are that are watching right now, and I'm sure you can relate to that. Shorts seem to get so many more subscribers and views, and it's hard to get people to cross over from shorts to long form. So some of the shorts you'll see in November will kind of redirect people to those long form videos. We'll see, if that has any bearing or if it works. I don't know. I'm not a very techie person, so a lot of what I do on YouTube as far as content creation is just a feel and go type thing. What seems like it would be the best thing to do. It took me a long time to learn some of the basics because I don't like to follow directions. I just kind of like to wing it. But I think I've gotten better over the last 2 years. Yeah, so 2 whole years making content fairly regularly. I feel like it's been this evolving episode where the first season was, the HOA making me remove my garden and what was I going to do and how was I going to fix that situation. And I've kind of evolved from there and done other things. So it's been a great 2 years, really. It's really helped me work through some things, and it is a form of creativity that everyone needs to kind of express themselves, right? So it's a form of expression, a form of sharing, a form of connection, and it's been really helpful. So thank you again. Okay, so I talked about not moving. I talked about the videos in November. I may do a garden tour, and it's just going to be shorts. Because, which is going to kind of segue us into the next bullet point here, is that I'm toying with the idea of starting a second channel that will be separate but different. Um, I'd like to kind of ease myself back into writing and kind of force myself to kind of get back into that realm, that mode, that creative process. So the YouTube kind of filled that creative need, but now I feel like I need to get back into writing and not let it go, because I kind of abandoned it for a while now before I even started my channel. And that's a whole nother long vlog episode, maybe for the new channel. So I'm just curious, for those that are watching, would you want that link, or would you want me to post information about it on this channel so you can maybe go have a peek? I'm just thinking about it. I haven't created any videos. I haven't made a channel. It's just something I'm thinking about for November, because November is National Writing Month. So people, you know, they do this program. It's, I think it's NaNoWriMo. That's the abbreviated form. I'll put the full name right here. Where you write 50,000 words in November. And November is a horrible month for me. And I've done it before. I have never successfully completed that challenge. So I'm thinking about maybe, since I'm not going to be posting, doing any YouTube long form creation for that month, what if I try again to do those 50,000 words in November? I don't know. It's a big thing. Maybe that would be a good thing to start the channel about. I don't know. So I kind of want it to be like getting me back into writing channel, but also I want to fall back in love with reading. And I do still do audiobooks. I don't physically read anymore. It's just the time thing. You know, the audiobooks can fit in. I used to be addicted to reading, and I don't do it like I used to. And I'd like to get back into that as well. I mean, that's good for your brain. You know, reading activates parts of your brain that other things you do don't. And it's just really good for you, you know, mentally, physically, everything. So yeah, there may be a new channel coming that's totally off topic from gardening. You might be interested, you might not. I'll let you guys know if and when it happens. Okay. And so the last point I wanted to talk about was who's going to be the winner. So 2 people. I'm going to draw 3 names because, you know, somebody might not reach out to me on Instagram. You need to message me on Instagram, let me know your address, and I will send you a gift. Let's say a $10 value worth of seeds from somewhere. Whoever's going to give me free shipping this month, that's who the seeds will ship from. It'll probably be maybe Baker Creek. It could even be Amazon. I don't know. We'll see. I haven't seen a lot of free shipping lately. Sometimes Botanical Interest will have free shipping on any order. That might be an option too. So we'll see. But before I draw, I want to show you what I bought myself for an anniversary gift. My 2 years on YouTube. I don't even know. It might be in the frame because I have my camera set so I can't even see what's going on right now. This is the most stunning and beautiful and gorgeous petunia, which is frost tender. It can take a little cold though. It can. Petunias here, sometimes I'll have them still blooming, you know, up until December. But when I saw this, I fell in love immediately. Even though I paid $5.99, I don't normally pay that much for annuals. It was kind of painful, that part, but look at how gorgeous. I'm thinking about putting it in a container on my back deck, and then before we get super cold, I'm going to bring this into the kitchen because I'm going to love just looking at those flowers. Okay, I'll tell you the name of it. It is called Black Magic Slingshot. That is just stunning. I mean, absolutely stunning. So this was my 2-year on YouTube anniversary gift to myself. It kind of has a little bit of a scent, but petunias really shouldn't, I don't think. I don't know. It's just pretty. I picked it up, I think, yesterday. All right, so are y'all ready? I kind of shuffled these around earlier. So winner number 1 is going to be, and one of my biggest commenters that I really appreciate, and when she doesn't comment on my videos, I notice, like, I reached out, and I'm like, are you okay? Is the channel called 8th C Elizabeth. So I'll put her link to her channel in the description. And if you want to go check out her videos, absolutely go do that and say hi over on her channel. She grows a lot of tomatoes. I know she had a rough summer. I felt really bad about that. Early floods early on, I guess, was it late spring, really kind of gave her a difficult summer from the beginning. number 1. Yay. Okay, so let's see who number 2 is going to be. And I'll also put their channel, if they have a channel, down in the description. And it's going to be Dear Diary Country Life. And I know she just got a puppy, a cute little girl puppy. And you should go check out her videos too. And she has chickens and horses and kind of making her way into that country life, which is kind of cool. So video channel link in the description. So these are my 2 winners that I'm going to ship you out some seeds, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for commenting and supporting me. I'm going to pull one more just in case for some reason they don't reach out to me, which I'm sure they will. The third runner-up is just runner-up just in case. Sorry, you will not get a present unless these guys back out. And that is going to be Grow Joyfully Homestead. So she has a channel as well, and I'll put her channel link in the description, and you can go check her out. She has very big, large gardens and harvests a ton of stuff and processes and preserves a ton of food. So that's a channel also to go check out. And that's it, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed being here with me on this sunny afternoon. All of our rain finally passed, which is very, very nice. I love the sunshine. Got to replant some seeds though. A lot of those lettuce, spinach, all of that has to get restarted. It all just got pelted and overwatered with all the rain we had there for a really long time. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you soon. I hope you're having a great gardening week.